Hey YouTube, I got another quick project today. As you know, we bought a camper, got it all fixed up. We're ready to go on our first trip, and after I hooked up to it last time and pulled it home, I found out that my mirrors are not nearly wide enough to be pulling that camper. Basically, with the stock mirrors, I can see that the camper's there, and that's pretty much it. So we bought the cheapest set of tow mirrors on Amazon. I'll get the brand. It started with an S. I can't remember, but these were like $80. These are modeled after the newer pickups, so we're gonna get these changed out and see how the process goes. They're so far, just by taking them out of the box, they feel nice and heavy, so I'm pretty excited about how they work. They've got a lot of good reviews. I think this particular mirror, and I don't know, you know how companies kind of mix reviews together if they sell the same product for multiple vehicles, but this had like 1,500 some odd reviews and was at like 4.6 stars. So I hope they work out good. Okay, I believe this panel comes off separate and I can just pop that off. So of course I don't have my tripod here today, so we're gonna try and do this one-handed. I'm gonna get this screwdriver in, just kind of pry towards the middle. Well, looks like we're going okay. See if we can find another clip down there. So that came off nice and easy. Looks like I've got our little foam and some 10mm bolts. Well, a little bit deeper than that. There we go. A deep socket probably would work better, but this one's gonna make it. So this looks like it's gonna be a very simple install. I should be careful what I say here before things go bad, like this nut falling down on the door or something. Alright, looks like I got to set you down for this last one. That one's off. I just need my other hand to support the mirror over there. See if we can pull this out. Oh, we got a couple little clips here. Now this might be where I drop it. Let's see what we can do. Oh, yep. So that's where I needed the other hand. Okay, well, that was pretty straightforward. Let's go compare this one to the new one. Oh, I think I broke that. Dang it. Well, maybe that'll pop back on. I'd like to sell those if I can, but anyway, old mirror, new mirror. It looks like this is going to be pretty simple. So, first things first, I guess. This gets one of these pads. Looks like it goes on like that. And I bet I'm going to need both hands for that. So we'll come back after I get at least one nut put on this one. Okay, that was super simple. I mean, obviously, just the 3 bolts went back in. I used the original nuts because they got those big washers on them versus the ones that it was supplied with. I'm sure these would work fine too, but that's bound to be better. And just snugged them up. So I will do the same thing on the passenger side. You don't necessarily need to see that. It'll be rinse and repeat, and then we'll see how they do on the road. The big thing I'm worried about is whether or not they shake or not, so we'll see how it goes. Passenger side mirrors on. I actually kind of like how they look. I didn't think I would, but they're growing on me. They do lean in just a little bit on the truck. I'm not sure that they're supposed to do that. I think it'd look a little bit better if they were a little more vertical, but it's not going to bother me. I guess I could have bought some expensive mirrors if I was going to be too picky about it, but so far so good. I really like these. I don't know how well you can see through the window there, but I've got my cruise set on 62, and there's almost no vibration in the mirror. I think it's even, honestly, my factory mirror vibrated quite a bit, so this is way better. I'm pretty impressed. The view around the camper is pretty good here on the roads. Still no shaking, even with it extended all the way out. Don't mind the dirty truck there. That side shakes a little bit more. You can't see it very good. I think it has a lot to do with how it's adjusted, but so far I really like them. I may go back to Amazon and leave a 5-star review. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.